The story starts with a hero. No, not the ripped superhero you see on TV. A hero that smells delicious. Grows on trees, and you probably throw it in the garbage after using it. Yes, this story stars a humble leaf, the bay leaf. And today, we'll peel back the layers of its superpowers, especially when it comes to beating diabetes, melting away belly fat, and crushing bad cholesterol. Get ready, because this is a tale of medical marvels with a pinch of kitchen magic. We're talking about reversing diabetes, burning off stubborn pounds, and tackling cholesterol like the boss you are. And if you're ready to embark on this leafy adventure, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss a moment of this herbal extravaganza. Now, let's get brewing. First, let's tackle the giant elephant in the room. No, it's not an actual elephant made of medical bills. It's your trusty fridge. Is it stocked with the usual suspects? Frozen pizzas? Leftover takeout containers? That lone carrot you bought for yourself as a carrot stick? Well, you don't have to worry, because our boy, the bay leaf, has got your back. Yeah, it's not just there for aroma. It's working overtime to curb your cravings. See, bay leaves contain these cool compounds called eugenol and cineol. They team up to block something called angiotensin II. And hold on. I know that sounds like rocket science, but trust me, it's simpler than it looks. Basically, angiotensin II tells your body it's thirsty, prompting you to guzzle down fluids. And you know what happens next? Yep, your kidneys start working overtime, producing more urine. This process actually ends up increasing your appetite because your body thinks it's losing precious nutrients through all that extra pee. But with bay leaf in the mix, you're putting the brakes on that whole cycle, reducing your thirst, your pee production, and ultimately, yes, your appetite. This means you can say no to that extra slice of pizza, skip the late-night snacking, and save those calories for, I don't know, running away from a tiger or something equally important. Plus, bay leaves are a low-calorie option themselves. They're almost entirely made of fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied without packing on the pounds. So if you're tired of feeling hungry all the time, reach for a bay leaf tea or sprinkle some crushed bay leaf into your meals. It's like having a personal trainer in your pantry, except without the yelling and the protein shake. And the best part? Bay leaves are a fantastic companion to your favorite dishes. They work well with chicken, fish, soups, stews, and even desserts. The key is to use them wisely. Don't go overboard. 2 or 3 leaves are enough for most recipes. And remember, fresh bay leaves are stronger than dried ones, so adjust accordingly. And for those of you who prefer to keep things simple, here's a foolproof plan. Stick a couple of bay leaves in your fridge, and every time you open it and smell that fresh, invigorating scent, you'll be reminded of your health goals. It's like aromatherapy meets refrigerator organization. But seriously, if you're struggling with hunger pangs and cravings, give bay leaves a try. It's an ancient remedy that deserves a spot in your modern health routine. Now let's switch gears and dive into a topic that's close to my cold heart. Bad cholesterol. You know the drill. LDL, the villain that clogs your arteries and invites heart attacks to the party. Luckily, bay leaf is here to save the day. Or should I say, leaf? How does it do it? Well, these tiny green powerhouses are rich in antioxidants. We're talking about flavonoids like quercetin and rutin. These compounds step up to stop LDL cholesterol from oxidizing, which is basically the process that turns cholesterol into artery plaque. By blocking oxidation, bay leaf helps prevent the buildup of plaque and keeps your arteries smooth and your blood flowing freely. So if you're tired of living on the edge, thanks to your cholesterol levels, consider adding bay leaf to your diet. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your heart, except without the sunglasses and the motorcycle. Plus, bay leaf can also lower your blood pressure and help regulate your heartbeat, giving your cardiovascular system the VIP treatment it deserves. So next time you're cooking up a storm in the kitchen, throw in a couple of bay leaves and let them work their magic. Your heart will thank you. Imagine this. You're lounging on your couch, comfortably numb from eating way too many cookies. Suddenly, bam! A commercial break interrupts your sugary daydream. Oh joy! Now you're bombarded with images of ripped, six-pack abs and impossibly thin supermodels. Are you ready to fight back against those unrealistic beauty standards and reclaim your health in a deliciously surprising way? Well, let's put the kettle on because the secret lies in a humble bay leaf tea. You heard me right. It's time to ditch the fad diets and embrace a natural way to achieve those coveted six-pack abs. I know you've tried countless crunches only to end up with a questionable lower back injury. But trust me, the real magic happens when you sip on a warm mug of bay leaf tea. Now you might be wondering how a simple tea can transform your physique, especially when you're surrounded by cookie crumbs and dreams of endless dessert bars. Well, let me spill the beans. Bay leaf is a natural diuretic. It's like having your personal assistant who takes care of all the excess liquid retention in your body. You see, that pesky water weight that makes your belly bulge and your pants feel tight is no match for bay leaf. With its mild diuretic properties, bay leaf helps flush out excess sodium and water retention, leaving you feeling lighter and leaner in no time. But wait, there's more. Bay leaf is also a metabolism booster. It's like having a personal cheerleader who shouts faster, higher, stronger to your sluggish metabolism. Say goodbye to that slow metabolism that sabotages your fitness goals. With the power of bay leaf, your body will be burning calories and shedding pounds faster than you can say abs. Now, I know you're picturing a drastic overhaul of your diet, but hold on. This isn't about sacrificing your love for cookies. In fact, you can still enjoy that chocolate chip cookie in peace. Thanks to bay leaf, you can indulge in your sweet tooth while it banishes those unwanted water weight woes. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Except instead of cake, it's cookies, and instead of magic, it's science. So why wait? Grab a bag of bay leaves and brew yourself a soothing cup of bay leaf tea. As you sip on its warm goodness, imagine all that excess water weight flushing out of your system and revealing the toned, sculpted physique you've always dreamed of. With bay leaf by your side, you'll be well on your way to achieving those elusive six-pack abs. And remember, it's not about denying yourself the joys of life, but enhancing them with the natural wonders that surround us. So go ahead, treat yourself to a cookie, sip on your bay leaf tea, and let the transformation begin. If you're ready to take control of your health and uncover more natural ways to achieve a healthier you, then subscribe and hit that bell icon. And hey, don't forget to give us a like for more health tips and tricks. Together, we can conquer health challenges and achieve those dream bods we've been eyeing. So grab your bay leaves and let's embark on this exciting journey to a healthier, happier you. And remember, with great health comes great responsibility. So use your newfound powers wisely and share the bay leaf love with your friends and family. Who knows, you might just inspire them to embark on their own health adventures.